Welcome to the channel, where we go on the adventure of making videos for YouTube together. I want to share with you what I'm learning as I film, such as how I set up the video, the equipment and software I use. So let's go. Each step of making a video for YouTube, such as planning, equipment, lighting, and audio, gets better with practice. The more we film, the better we get. But first, let's set the scene. We've set the scene. We have a topic, we have a camera, we're ready to record audio. But we want to look the best that we can. So let's not forget one of the most important things, the lighting. Okay, there it is, the best I can look at this time. If we keep running together, we'll just keep getting better. Video's over now. Okay, I'm out.